Okay, tailgate latch for Ford Ranger. Okay, this is a 2010 model. Now, I think they're all pretty much the same. This particular model right here, all metal, okay? You can hear that? All metal. The only thing that's not metal is that piece that goes up against inside here, okay? All right, that's metal. Metal, no plastic. Nothing that can break. The only thing that can happen to this is maybe a rust over time. All right? Okay. Take off your panel. All right? Right there. That's a number Torx T30. And you take all these off. I've got an inside panel right here actually that goes over top of that. So they go in together. Anyway, all right. To get this off, number 10 socket. And let's pull it off. You got them off. Okay, so if you do it right, it just falls right out on the ground, okay? And there's the old one. Okay, I'll throw this new one on. Now, make sure you're all good. Slip it inside here like this. And you want that to come up inside. And then your bolts come through those two little holes right there. Okay, so you want to make sure these are on the inside of those little hooks. In other words, these hooks right here. Okay, so you got to have that like that. Make sure your bolts are lined up inside there, like that, and like that, and there it is right there. Okay, there it is. Now I'll tighten her up. Make sure it works. And there it is. Done deal. That thing ain't gonna break, I'll tell you that. All right, before you put your covers on that go across here, make sure your latch works and everything, and go from there. Perfect. I'm going to do some little bit of oiling up there. Like it. All right, throw your cap on. I have this cover, and that goes on first. Make sure it lines up. And there it is. Perfect. Done deal. I'm always doing this kind of thing and showing you guys what to do, how to do it, installs and stuff like that. Make sure you subscribe and all that kind of stuff. I'll tell you what, it's a great thing when you can make stuff work.